Hi, my name is Henry.
And my name is Elyse, and today we're going to show you how to survive a snowstorm.
In 2 ways. Let's see how Elyse survives a snowstorm. First, turn up the heat. Next, make some popcorn.
Then grab a blanket and cuddle up on the couch with your warm snack and binge watch the whole first season of The Flash. Or you could be like my friend Henry here. First, throw on your snow clothes and boots. Next, run out the door and jump into the snow. Then, get locked out of your house. Lastly, stand outside in the freezing cold until someone opens the door.